नमस्कार, येवकार तुमकां हब एनकाउंटर कार्यावळीन. दिल्लीचे मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल गोंयांत आयले उपरांत तांणी एक घोशणा केली की 300 युनिट आमी फ्री लायट दितले जर आम आदमी पार्टी फुडल्या इलेक्शनाक गोंयांत निवडून आयली जाल्यार. ह्या घोशणा उपरांत, लायटीच्या घोशणा उपरांत खुबशे जाणांक शॉक आयलो आनी भितरले आसा भाजपावाले आनी चड शॉक आयलो ते काँग्रेसवाले. काँग्रेसच्यो दिल्लीच्यो फुडारी अलका लांबा गोंयांत आयल्यो आनी तांणी पत्रकार परिशद घेतली आनी तांणी उठसूट आम आदमी पार्टीचेर टिका केली. आपूण हांगा आयल्या आम आदमी पार्टीक एक्सपोज करपा खातीर हें तिणें सांगलें आनी वेगवेगळ्या विशयांचेर तांणी आम आदमी पार्टीचेर उलयलें. काँग्रेस पक्ष भाजपा पेक्षा आम आदमी पार्टीक चड कित्याक भिवपाक लागला? घडये काँग्रेस मुक्त गोवा करपा खातीर भाजपाक आम आदमी पार्टी वापरता अशें तांकां दिसपाक लागलां काय काँग्रेस पक्षाचे दिल्लीचे राजकारणाचो जो शेडो आसा, सावळी आसा ती गोंयचेर पडपाक लागल्या? हे सगळे जाणां जावन घेवपा खातीर आमी मेळटले अलका लांबा, काँग्रेसच्यो राष्ट्रीय फुडारी, दिल्लीच्यो फुडारी आनी जी पयलीं आम आदमी पार्टीन वचून परत काँग्रेसीन आयिल्ले आसा तांकां हे वेगवेगळे प्रस्न विचारतले आनी जाणा जावन घेतले की काँग्रेसीक कसलो भंय दिसता. जशें तुमी जाणा, हब एनकाउंटर ही कार्यावळ आमी www.goanewshub.com ह्या वेबसायटी वरवीं तुमच्या मुखार हाडटा. आमचे टीव्ही चॅनल पार्टनर्स आसा RDX गोवा आनी प्रोडक्शन पार्टनर्स goabyLane.com. तर मेळुया अलका लांबा. Thank you very much ma'am for spending time with us. First, since the time you have come, जब से आप आई हैं हमने देखा है आपका एक ही एजेंडा चल रहा है कि you are castigating आम आदमी पार्टी and केजरीवाल. Not a single word we have heard, at least what I have heard, you have spoken against BJP.
Okay.
Are you not giving unnecessary importance to Aam Aadmi Party in Goa, wherein you should be blaming BJP and your campaign should be against BJP?
Yeah. See, अगर आप गोवा की बात करेंगे, no doubt about it, there is a direct fight between Congress and the BJP. No doubt about it. I don't consider Aam Aadmi Party is a factor here. No, not at all. But being from Delhi, being a resident of Delhi, voter, taxpayer of Delhi, people are really searching the Chief Minister of Delhi. Where is he? We found him in Punjab. We found him in Gujarat. We found him in Uttarakhand. Now he was here in Goa. I just want to ask, during this time when we are going through a tough time, as you know, we are heading towards a third wave of this corona pandemic during this. What you are expecting from your chief minister? What should be his priorities? Your state, your people. But the Delhi chief minister priority is to expand his party and for the election upcoming elections and to form the government and get the power. That's it. So I asked my party. I know Aam Aadmi Party is not a factor, not only in Goa. We know that in Uttarakhand, Punjab also, in Manipur, Aam Aadmi Party is not a factor. But वो इधर आए नहीं हैं, उन्हें भेजा जा रहा है. ये मुझे गोवा और बाकी स्टेट के लोगों को बताना है. वो आ नहीं रहे, उन्हें भेजा जा रहा है. कौन भेज रहा है? बीजेपी भेज रही है. क्यों भेज रही है? कांग्रेस का वोट डिवाइड करने के लिए भेज रही है.
So you agree that they are a factor and there is a sort of fear in Congress's mind that they might divide your votes.
It's not fear, it's a reality. Have you seen the Delhi? Who got benefited? As the BJP got benefited. Congress is out and Aam Aadmi Party is there. Wherever they feel BJP feel they can't defeat the Congress, they have the B team ready with them. I'm telling you, it's either the AIMIM OAC or the BSP or the Aam Aadmi Party.
So as far as Goa is concerned, you agree to an extent that they will make an impact. Aam Aadmi Party is going to make an impact. That's why you came here and you started speaking about this party.
No, there's no impact. But see, I'm telling you, they are the B team of BJP.
So if they are not going to make an impact, my question is very simple. If they are not going to make any impact, that's what you say. On the other hand, you also say that they have been sent here to divide the votes of Congress. If they are not so impactful, they wouldn't even divide the votes of Congress.
They are here to confuse the people, I'm telling you. They are here to confuse the people. And by confusing the people, they are not, the harming the Congress, they are harming the people also of Goa, अभी इधर आकर जो दिल्ली का मॉडल है अरविंद केजरीवाल का, क्या उन्होंने करप्शन का बात किया? बीजेपी का गवर्नमेंट इधर और सेंटर में है, क्या उन्होंने करप्शन का बात किया? जन लोकपाल का बात किया? स्वराज का बात किया? बीजेपी के मिनिस्टर्स का नाम लेकर उनका एक एक करप्शन का कागज दिखाया? नहीं दिखाया। क्या उनके सर पर टोपी था जो 2017 व्हेन ही केम हियर, उनके सर पर एक सफेद टोपी था, आज वो गायब है। उस पे जन लोकपाल लिखा होता था, स्वराज लिखा होता, आज क्या लिखा है? 300 यूनिट बिजली फ्री 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 फ्री। वो किधर भी जा रहे हैं उनके पास फ्री बिजली का है। सो मुझे लगता है फ्री बिजली दिल्ली वालों को जो मिला है वो एक सच्चाई है, जिसमें लोगों को कितना नुकसान हुआ है। 200 यूनिट फ्री, ईच यूनिट गवर्नमेंट जो कॉस्ट कर रहा है इज 3 रुपीज। सो 600 रुपीज के लिए आपने कितना कुछ खोया है। आज दिल्ली में अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, बेरोजगारी दर 45% है, 100 में से 45 लोग बेरोजगार है। यमुना का पानी, आई शो यू, ANI का रिपोर्ट है, पूरा पानी प्रदूषित हो गया, जहरीला हो गया। लोग एक बूंद बूंद पानी पीना के लिए दिल्ली में तरस रहे हैं। ऑक्सीजन के बिना कोरोना में लोगों को मरते हुए, दम तोड़ते हुए देखा है। क्या अरविंद केजरीवाल का ये गुड गवर्नेंस का ये मॉडल है? 7th ईयर है उनका।
But these are two issues.
Yeah.
One is giving free electricity, which
Yes.
you agree that they will give free electricity, even then they are giving free electricity.
No, they are not giving. They are not giving. That's the thing. They are saying we'll give 200. They are giving to they as they claim 200 unit free in Delhi, and if they will come in power in Goa, they will give 300 unit free. I'm just asking, if it will be 301, then how much you are paying for it?
All
You are
301.
paying not for that one unit.
All 301.
All 301, and not at the cost of 3 rupees per unit. You are paying 6 rupees 50 paisa, which is more than double. No, nobody is considering it.
So you're talking about Goa. As far as Goa is concerned, you're completely ruling out Aam Aadmi Party in Goa,
Yes.
or you are thinking that it will make an impact on Congress vote bank, because we are just 6 months ahead of the elections.
See, if we could be able to expose them on time, we have time. We have time. That's why I'm here. Whatever he's, coming here with the promises, everybody knows about it. From where the Aam Aadmi Party and their leader are getting fund to contest all the seat in Gujarat, all in UP, all in Punjab, Uttarakhand, and in Goa. From where they are getting the money? Go to their website. You will not get the answer. There's no transparency, accountability, which they did promise when they formed the party in 2012. So that's very much clear. If they are promising free electricity, must be Adani supporting him, because ultimately the taxpayers' money he's going to pay at the cost which they are
Must be, or you are sure that Adani?
100%. Same in Delhi, I'm telling you. अभी दिल्ली में बोला कि कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट का बिजली कंपनियों के साथ साठगांठ है। मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल से पूछना चाहती हूँ, गोवा के लोग भी पूछें, जो दिल्ली में शीला दीक्षित जी के समय पर यूनिट रेट था, आज उससे 3 गुना है। क्यों नहीं उधर कम कराया? उधर कम नहीं किया तो टैक्स पेयर से पैसा लेकर अदानी अंबानी की कंपनियों को, रिलायंस की कंपनियों को आप दे रहे हैं। यहां पर भी वही होगा। ये जो पूरा बिजली वाला इशू है, दूसरा कोई इशू नहीं। जैसे गोवा में लोगों को बिजली के अलावा कुछ नहीं चाहिए, सिर्फ 300 यूनिट फ्री बिजली।
That is first guarantee. Yes, he's
No,
coming
no.
up with more guarantees.
No,
Apparently.
what is the guarantee? I'm telling you, it's a freebies. He's testing, making this small Goa, 40 seats, less than Delhi, and 15 lakh population. He is trying to make this a laboratory for his experiments. Will it work it or not? In 2017, I'm sorry, he said in his press conference, दिल्ली के लोगों ने भाजपा और कांग्रेस को लात मार दिया। तो लात तो आपको भी 2017 में गोवा ने मार दिया था। कांग्रेस को आपने डिवाइड करना चाहा, कांग्रेस की अगेन फर्स्ट लार्जेस्ट पार्टी बना। You got my point.
Raghav Chadha says Aam Aadmi Party in 2017 was a theoretical option, and 2021 it is practical option for Goa.
उनका बोलने से क्या होगा? Who is Raghav Chadha? I just want to ask. He just became MLA in 2020. Just. I have an experience in the politics from being 27 years. I contested 3 times the MLA election, and I brought up in Delhi. I know the nerves of Delhi. Raghav Chadha is just, Atishi, Raghav Chadha, even Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodiya. They are nothing. They left their responsibility, their priorities for Delhi, and they are just becoming a face and roaming. Where he stayed, can you tell me? Arvind Kejriwal, when we came in 2017, वो छोटा सा गेस्ट हाउस किसी के घर में रुका था. अभी किधर रुका? सिदादे गोवा 5 सितारा में. राघव चड्ढा, अतिशी, मनीष, ये आम आदमी से खास आदमी बनने का जो मशीन है, वो आम आदमी पार्टी में जिसको जाना है, मैं कहती हूँ जो आम आदमी है ना, पैसा नहीं है. आप आम आदमी पार्टी का सदस्य बनो, 5 साल में आप आम से खास होंगे, खूब पैसा होगा, आप 5 सितारा में रुकेंगे. अरविंद केजरीवाल कहते थे गाड़ी नहीं लेंगे, सिक्योरिटी नहीं लेंगे, घर नहीं लेंगे. आज उसी चीफ मिनिस्टर के घर पे 9 करोड़ रुपए का स्विमिंग पूल बन रहा है. किसके पैसे से? क्या प्रॉमिस किया था आपने? जो कहा वो किया नहीं. जन लोकपाल, स्वराज, व्यवस्था परिवर्तन, भ्रष्टाचार, आज नहीं बात करते. बोला नहीं बोला. हु इज द जन लोकपाल? व्हाट इज हिज नेम? एक जो जन लोकपाल का लड़ाई था, एक दिल्ली का चीफ मिनिस्टर बन गया और दूसरा देश का प्रधानमंत्री बन गया. और डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी को जो 10 साल का आज इकोनॉमी को देखकर लोग अच्छा है. Now they are realizing it.
Okay, your visit to Goa,
Yeah.
is it timed with Kejriwal's visit? Because we saw he went out of Goa, he flew off from Goa, and then you landed in Goa.
100% you are right. Wherever he will go, he's my chief minister.
So you will follow
pull
him and expose him.
Yeah.
This looks like you went
That's
to Aam
my
Aadmi
duty for
Party,
my
you
daily.
came
No, because
came
that's
back
my
and you're
duty
angry
for my
against
people.
Aam Aadmi Party. Your anger
No,
is
I have
coming
no
out.
anger. I must be like, if they promise something and they are not delivering that, being a Delhi person, it's my duty to fight for my people, to fight for my people. Whatever he promised it, he is not able to fulfill that. You see, during the pandemic, where was his Mohalla clinic? Did you see any Mohalla clinic photograph? People are getting a COVID-free test in that Mohalla clinic, or getting vaccinated in that Mohalla clinic, or people were dying without getting the oxygen, and he keeps on blaming center for everything if there is a crime.
So your visit was timed.
Yes, I'm following him wherever he will go. I'll expose him. I'll bring him back. मैं उसको हिंदी में शब्द है घसीट कर दिल्ली वापस लाऊंगी. Because of being the chief minister, Delhi should be his priority.
Okay.
And that's a taxpayer's money. When I left the airport, since yesterday I'm here, you see the hoardings? Goa loves Kejriwal. Goa loves everyone. But does Kejriwal loves Goa? Delhi loves Kejriwal, but Kejriwal didn't love Delhi.
Okay, आपके
फर्क है.
स्टेटमेंट हमने देखे
Yeah.
yesterday. You said कि Sheila Dikshit never went around touring the country when she was chief minister
Yes.
of Delhi. She
Yes.
was there in Delhi. Then how come she was defeated despite ruling Delhi for 15 years?
No, I'm telling you, there's a, एक कहते हैं कि जो नेचर में बदलाव है, चेंज है, वो ऑब्वियस है. Nobody can stop that change. We were in power for 10 years in center, 15 years in Delhi. Same like if you will ask me in Chhattisgarh, Dr. Raman Singh BJP government was there for 15 years, and there's obvious change. You can't stop the change, and I appreciate that. It's people's mandate, and if they feel now is enough, we want something, bring the change. That's fine. Sheila Dikshit did a wonderful job under the budget of 30,000 crore. Now Delhi is having taxpayers paying much tax, and we're having around 69,000 crore, more than double budget. But in last, Sheila Dikshit built the flyovers, the metros, 1 lakh CNG buses to fight against this air pollution. We have schools, we have hospitals, green Delhi, everything. But what Arvind Kejriwal did, spend all taxpayers' money, not on the development, just to fix their vote, freebies, all. Now they don't have the money to pay the salaries of the government employees. They are asking to the center to give up the 5,000 crore. Manish Sisodiya is asking, why you are asking now? Where is the money? Where is the money? Because you are fixing your vote bank. And this, सब कुछ free है. I'm telling you. अभी Delhi is the capital. और किसी भी country का capital सबसे ज़्यादा expensive होता है वहाँ पर रहने के लिए. लेकिन दिल्ली को इस तरह से हो गया कि अगर कहीं भी किसी भी स्टेट में लोगों के पास काम नहीं है, बहुत गरीब हैं, वो अपने सर पर सामान दो लेते हैं और दिल्ली आ जाते हैं, क्योंकि केजरीवाल ने ऐसा कह दिया कि सब कुछ फ्री है। तो वहां पर जो अनऑथराइज कंस्ट्रक्शन, झुग्गी, स्लम्स, वो सब इतना बढ़ गया है, इंक्रोचमेंट इतना बढ़ गया है, क्राइम बढ़ गया है, बिकॉज पीपल इस एक्सपेक्टेशन में आ गए कि सब कुछ इधर फ्री मिलेगा आपको, रैन बसेरे में रहना। सो वो एक मॉडल कामयाब नहीं हो सकता है, आई एम टेलिंग यू।
Okay, another thing is about BJP in Goa. We have not seen you criticizing them. On the other hand, you criticized Aam Aadmi Party for their campaign against 10 MLA, जो आपसे चुरा के लेके गई बीजेपी और अपने बनाए. So you are not alleging anything against BJP. आपको ये नहीं लगता कि BJP is doing anything wrong in Goa?
सी, अगर आप मेरी फेसबुक, सोशल मीडिया, ट्विटर पर जाएंगे, जितना बीजेपी को सीधा प्राइम मिनिस्टर,
आप नेशनली बात किया, लेकिन
हाँ,
आपने जब गोवा में
लोकल गोवा में, आई एम आस्किंग इट, डिड अरविंद केजरीवाल टुक एनी बीजेपी's लीडर नेम और द करप्शन or whatever is happening here around? Did he speak about anything? No.
They went to the MLA's house and they said you should not have joined BJP. You should have been there in Congress. You should be happy that they are doing all these things.
Who?
Aam Aadmi Party through their cake campaign went to BJP MLA's house and then they said you shifted from Congress to BJP, which is wrong. You should have been there in Congress. So ideally Congress should be happy about Kejriwal.
No, I don't know what politics is playing with us. We don't need his any kind of support. He already an exposed person, you know. I'm telling you. Or when the time will come, definitely if party allow me, party will give me the responsibility. I should be back during election. I will definitely local level. I will expose the BJP government without any fear. What the double engine sarkar in center BJP, here BJP, what they did for the people of Goa. Definitely I'm going to ask.
So also you also are going to ask your own leadership here that how come that you are 17 and you are left only with 5 right now? It's a basic mathematics. 2017, 17. We are till 2020, 21, 5. Are you going to ask them also ki what made these people leave you?
What make these people to leave? आपको मालूम है सेंटर में बीजेपी का सरकार है, किस तरह से वो गवर्नमेंट को डिस्टेबलाइज्ड करते हैं, एंड किसके उसके दम पर सीबीआई, ईडी, राइट, अपना पूरा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का मिसयूज पावर का करके राजस्थान आपका there are so many states, example like I will say in Arunachal Pradesh there was a Congress government, there was they imposed a president rule, then we came back in Arunachal in the power, Supreme Court passed it the order, then Uttarakhand, then Karnataka, then Madhya Pradesh. So this is the way of doing a politics of BJP कि आप डिस्टेबलाइज करो, आप लोगों को डराओ, एमएलए को पैसा दो, पैसे से नहीं आए ईडी भेजो, सीबीआई भेजो. आई विल नॉट टेक द नेम बट यू नो बेटर, जो कांग्रेस का एमएलए था किसके घर में सीबीआई रेड हुआ था, ईडी का रेड किस किस के घर में हुआ था,
मैडम
अभी वो कहाँ
मतलब
है?
यही है कि 2017 में आप ऐसे लोगों को टिकट दी जो ईडी से डरते हैं, सीबीआई से कर नहीं तो डर नहीं है.
डर मैं आपको फिर बता रही हूँ, डराया जाता है और जिनको डरना था वो डर गए,
मेजॉरिटी डर गए.
नहीं, पर लोगों का मैंडेट था ना उनके साथ, तो उनको डरना नहीं चाहिए था. तो मुझे लगता है वो तो सब ज्यादा कमजोर निकले, लालची निकले, उनको अपना पॉलिटिक्स देखना था जहां उनको ज्यादा बेनिफिट.
Just to the last point I am touching on this, but 2/3 of your people in Goa kamzor nikle. Now we won't go in the past, but are you assuring in future that when Congress is going to field 39 or 40 candidates, these people will not be kamzor? Again, we are not going through the same rigmarole of Congress joining BJP.
But आज का पॉलिटिक्स का रियलिटी क्या है? इधर अरविंद केजरीवाल भी बोल कर गए कि कांग्रेस का एमएलए बीजेपी में गया, राइट? पंजाब में आम आदमी पार्टी का 3 एमएलए, फॉर्मर 3 एमपीज, लीडर अपोजिशन कहाँ गया?
नहीं, वो तो छोड़िए. You keep us at Kejriwal. I'm asking you about specific Congress.
In politics, I'm just telling you, for the benefit, for the personal interest, across the party line, it depends on the individual. I was in power. I was a sitting MLA with Arvind Kejriwal. Still, he is in power. I left it. I didn't join the BJP, where I came back to Congress, and I'm fighting. I'm struggling for people. So लोग देख रहे हैं
So you're not assuring कि जो लोग
Yeah.
आप टिकट देंगे गोवा में, they will not.
Anybody can assure it about it. It's about people who make them assure. We are giving you this vote on Congress symbol. If you left the party, you will come back to us with somebody other's party symbol. We are not going to vote because you are cheating the mandate.
They've faced elections. They go in a large chunk. 2/3 is allowed, and it is not a defection. So ideally, they never face election.
No, that's what I'm saying. पहला आप कांग्रेस का टिकट पे चुनाव लड़े, लोगों ने कांग्रेस को वोट दिया या आपको वोट दिया, ये वो लोग जानते हैं. देन आपने रिजाइन किया, लोगों का टाइम मनी वेस्ट किया, दोबारा इलेक्शन इंपोज कर दिया बाय इलेक्शन, फिर आप भी खड़े हो रहे हैं और उसके बाद बीजेपी से खड़े हो तो भी आपको वोट मिला और आप जीत गए. सो ये तो लोगों का मैंडेट है. कांग्रेस जहां थी वहां है. कांग्रेस ने आइडियोलॉजिकल कोई कंप्रोमाइज बीजेपी के साथ, आरएसएस के साथ किया. आवर लीडर मिस्टर राहुल गांधी इज द ओनली लीडर इन दिस कंट्री हु इज फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट द ऑल लाइक फार्म लॉज, सीए प्रोटेस्ट, देयर सो मेनी थिंग्स. He is the only person who is fighting against the RSS ideology and the policies of anti-people policies of the government. So we are not. Yes, if it is an individual MLA, let the people decide for their fate.
Okay, one more thing. Nationally, हमने देखा when you came here in Indigo Airlines, you click picture with all women crew, and
Yes.
Indigo also had a shout out saying that
Yeah.
thank you very much. बट हम अगर एक 7-8 दिन पहले चले गए, वी सॉ वन ऑफ योर ट्वीट वेयर इन स्मृति ईरानीज केस यू हैव सेड कि अभी मंत्रालय को मंत्री जी की साड़ियों का बिल भरना नहीं पड़ेगा. सो दीज आर टू फेसेस ऑफ वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट दैट यू आर शोइंग, राइट? व्हेन वन इज पॉजिटिव फेस, अनदर a woman is happy that another women's mantralaya has been taken. You're talking about sari. If this tweet has to be done by any man, you would have had to face all kind of trolls.
आपको मालूम है जब एचआरडी मिनिस्टर थी, उनकी डिग्री 12वीं पास को देश का एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर बना दिया. पूरा डिपार्टमेंट एजुकेशन मिनिस्ट्री फ्लॉप हुआ, मिनिस्ट्री ले लिया उनसे. देन उनको टेक्सटाइल एंड विमेन चाइल्ड दिया. अब उनसे टेक्सटाइल भी ले लिया है बिकॉज देयर वाज अ कंप्लेंट, मैनी कंप्लेंट्स कि मैडम कहीं पे भी जाती हैं वहां पर टेक्सटाइल में जो लाखों की साड़ियों उसके बिल उनका डिपार्टमेंट देता है. देयर वाज अ न्यूज complained by one of their bureaucrat officer lady. She complained in the PMO that wherever she is going, the department is paying for his saris. There was a news. Now I just when उससे वो भी वापस लिया तो I felt that was the reason because she have no contribution in the education, in the textile. Tell me the one achievement.
So BJP is fighting corruption in their own ministry.
Yeah.
This also means that BJP is fighting corruption.
No,
in
what they are
their
fighting
own
it. They are just saving the face of the prime minister and the government. Nothing they are doing it. Nothing.
Just someone who was corrupt has been removed from the
So,
ministry.
now
You should be thankful to Narendra
no.
Modi over it.
I think she should be sacked. I'm not being a woman. I'm saying no. There's a women empowerment. Forget it. Ignore it. If she's a corrupt and she's not delivering, like Nirmala Sitharaman. Upon a time, we were very happy she's being a woman. She's a defense minister, but outcome zero. Country is suffering, na? And then you got the finance, Nirmala Sitharaman. Okay, it's a good thing that women is heading the finance ministry. That's a big thing, But again, what is the result? Where's the economy is heading towards?
But don't you think your tweet was in a bit of odd taste?
No. That was the reality. That was the reality. That Smriti Irani forced people to pay for her saris. She was not there for that thing, na? She was there to promote the textile industry, which is again in a big loss. Like you see the Varanasi, our silk saris and every industry is during the pandemic. They are into big loss mein hai. But how she bring change here now? Now we have 11 women chief minister. Yes, we feel proud that we have 11 women minister in the Modi's cabinet. Yes, but if there's
you're happy about it,
of course. But now their test will start. If there is a rape in Uttarakhand in their double engine sarkar, if there's a rape is happening in Uttar Pradesh in their double engine sarkar, we are watching this. All 11 women ministers, will they speak or will they keep mum? And if they will keep mum, then we are the women of half of the population will speak against them and will tell them resign and go back home.
Will you also implement this as far as women empowerment is concerned in your own party? Because this is too local question. I know you're not in charge of Goa Congress,
no, I'm not. Yeah,
but still I'm asking you about your opinion.
Yeah.
Do you demand that Goa Congress should give at least 33% seats within the organization, within the party setup to women?
If you ask me, then I advocate for not for 33, for 50%. We are the half population of this country. We have the 50% share. So, but you know, we have only the women president, Congress president, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi. She's the president for last 20 years. We do have election every after 3 years. We have a democracy. It's the only party, I believe. BJP में भी election नहीं होता है. TMC, BSP, SP कहीं इलेक्शन प्रेसिडेंट का नहीं होता. आम आदमी पार्टी में भी 7 साल से केजरीवाल ही है. बट कांग्रेस में हमको प्राउड फील होता है कि हमारी एक विमेन प्रेसिडेंट है. कंसेंसस से हर 3 साल बाद वो महिला प्रेसिडेंट है. नंबर 1. हमारे पास एक अलग से यूनिट है महिला कांग्रेस. It's full of women. There's no man. There's no single man is there.
There's Mahila Congress. So
that's Mahila Congress. So how you are making a complete?
So my
from
last
there, women
question.
are getting promoted in the main Congress. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Like people are asking. You didn't ask. I'm telling you. Mahila Congress president of Kerala, she didn't get MLA ticket. उन्होंने अपना प्रोटेस्ट के लिए अपना सर मुंडवाया. बहुत बड़ा न्यूज़ मिला कि कांग्रेस महिलाओं को टिकट नहीं देता. लेकिन लोग भूल गए क्यों नहीं. सोनिया गांधी जी ने हमारी महिला कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट छत्तीसगढ़ को राज्यसभा भी तो भेजा है.
गोवा में महिला कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट लेफ्ट एंड जॉइन आम आदमी पार्टी. She was also not.
Who?
Pratima Kutino. So she was
also
also denied a
Congress
ticket.
president is Mrs. Nayak.
No, but
from last 3 years she's the president.
If I just take you, no, she's recently she has joined Aam Aadmi Party. She has joined recently. So my question is very simple: is this just it shouldn't be just an interview statement? But are you going to pursue with your own party that at least 30% reservation should be done for women in
Absolutely.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you
very much for spending time with us. This was Alka Lamba. ती म्हणटा ते प्रमाणे बायलां खातीर रिजर्वेशना खातीर ती आवाज उठयतली गोंयान आनी काँग्रेसीच्या भितरूच टिकेटी मदीं शी सेज 50% ऑफ देम शूड गेट टिकेट. आम आदमी पार्टी ती म्हणटा की गोंयान ऑल ओवर नेशन फेल जाल्ले आसा आनी अरविंद केजरीवाल दिल्ली सोडून गोंयान बसता आनी लोकांनी तांचें आयकुपाचें ना. यू आर वॉचिंग हब एंड काउंटर ऑन युअर फेवरेट वेबसायट www.goanewshub.com. We bring to you this show in association with channel partners RDX Goa and production partners GoaBalance.com. Keep watching this.